Haitian music television.
You are watching HMTV.
HMTV. Haitian music television. Haitian music television.
Fête de Ogan, qui date 10 mai 1925. C'est pas comme d'ado ça, non. Nous sommes nés avec ça même. Son don, ça a un don gratuit de Dieu.
Gene Gesner Henry from May 10, 1925 to January 29, 1998, known professionally as Coupé.
Mais Coupé Cloué, est-ce que c'était pour les jeunes qui commençaient à jouer musique?
Oui.
He was a Haitian footballer, singer, guitarist, and band leader. He was known for defining a style of Haitian Kompa music he called Kompa mamba, and for the sometimes body innuendo used in his songs. During his career, he was one of Haiti's most prominent musicians, and found much success in West Africa as well.
J'étais jeune, c'est-à-dire que depuis petit, son pas moi m'a pris la musique là parce que ça fait ça me dit mon grand-papa, c'est un grand musicien de Monsieur Joseph.
J'étais musicien.
J'étais musicien. Tu sais qu'on joue bon Dieu en pile.
As a young man, he received a classical music education and worked as a cabinet maker before becoming a professional football player.
J'ai joué dans la première équipe, j'ai joué dans le stade haïtien. Après, Bakadi.
Et qui l'a joué ça?
Ça 25, 26, comme ça.
It was from football, playing defense for the Port-au-Prince club Black Eagle, that he acquired his nickname, Coupé or Cut and Nailed.
Dans Bakadi vient croiser, donc il former les Noirs. Les Noirs formés de moi-même, Makeli, Michel Blain.
He began performing on guitar in 1951, and in 1957 he formed the band Trio Crystal, which he later renamed Trio Select, along with another guitar player and a maraca player.
Their first album, one of the dozens Henry released during his career, was released in the late 1960s.
On fait sérénade bazaïo, on présente un vote, il va la venir sérieux. Parce que par exemple, chaque samedi,
in the early 1970s, the group expanded from its original three and renamed itself Ensemble Select.
Et puis, on joue un peu de guitare avec des amis. On sortit dans le fond,
That decade also saw an increase in his use of racy spoken preaching and storytelling in addition to singing during songs. This became one of his trademarks.
In 1978, Coupé toured extensively in Africa, greatly increasing his international prominence. His popularity in West Africa was especially boosted by similarities between the rhythms and sounds of Henry's music and African soukous music. It was there that Henry earned the nickname Roy Coupé or King Coupé.
During the 1980s and early 1990s, Henry continued to perform and record prolifically. Henry died of diabetes in January 1998, having only retired from performing the previous month. He was mourned in Port-au-Prince by a day-long outdoor funeral celebration, attended by thousands of people, including the interim Minister of Culture.
Allez passer serrel, allez si la c'est pirel. Ouais, dodo, dodo mon petit frère. Ouais, dodo, orati.
Haitian Music Television.
You are watching HMTV.
HMTV. Haitian Music Television. Haitian Music Television.